Hey guys, welcome to another quick help video. So we're on our 4-channel NVR and we're going to change the output resolution. To do that, we go to the configuration panel as normal, make sure you're in expert mode, bottom left corner, and then we have here VGA HDMI resolution. So most guys will obviously be using HDMI for this, and here you can go up to actually 4K on this NVR. Okay, so glorious 4K, and all you have to do is select the one here. Make sure though your monitor has 4K. If it doesn't have 4K and you switch it to 4K, you're not going to see anything. Alright guys, so be careful with this one. Most people have 1080p. We only got a 1080p monitor here, so we don't need to change it, and our recording software doesn't like it when we change it. But that's where you go, pretty straightforward. Just make sure guys you've got the right resolution for your settings. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on another one. Bye bye.